Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300. It's a black colored vehicle with black interior. It currently has 35,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one. It's a 4MATIC all-wheel drive model, panoramic view sunroof, and it is equipped with Mercedes-Benz safety features, including collision prevention, attention assist, ABS, and blind spot monitoring. If you're looking for all the details about this vehicle or any of our vehicles available for sale, they can be seen anytime at eimports.com. We can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. We'll get a quick look at the interior. You'll notice the aluminum accents throughout, Burmester audio, large display for the navigation and backup camera. Take a quick look at the panoramic view roof. Larger glass roof up front for the front seat occupants, a smaller one in the back for the rear seat occupants. And again, all the details about this vehicle can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again.